to build you don't need to build next ChatGPT for making money online with AI. You don't need to become AI expert or AI engineer. You don't need to become have a computer science degree for making money online. Business are really uh, paying those peoples who really provide the values, who really provide using AI for content, for YouTube, for anything like they are using use website, they are creating website from AI, and business are really paying them. And right now businesses are really paying those peoples who really use AI for repetitive works. And right now business are really paying mm, business already paying peoples to use AI to creating content, building website, generating AI, generating leads, automate repetitive work, and increase sales. The crazy part, you can start now to learn those skills, and from almost nothing, from zero cost, you can learn. Most people are using AI to make memes, with write homework and generating images, blah blah, like some fuck that. They are using AI as a toy. And most people smart people uh, are using AI as a leverage. In this video, I will share some top secret 5 proven way to make money online. And here we go. We can start now. The 5 realistic AI business models. First is uh, AI automation agency. Second is AI website agency, AI website work like something like. And third is AI content creation. Fourth is AI lead generation, and fifth is AI digital product. There's five proven way and a realistic way to make money online, and how you can make money online. First is AI AI automation agency. This is my favorite one. And let's go from my favorite one. mm, this AI this AI model, you can you can automate all the things, like if someone call you 9 p.m. Or 9 p.m. or 12 p.m. or 12 a.m.,